It looks like a boat now, doesn't it? The shape is just something jumping out there, isn't it?
So here we are with the Kernic build. We're making progress after a lot of work putting other mistakes right. We think we're getting there now.
I think we are.
Isn't that right, Dave?
I think so, but I will rely on Matt's expertise for that one.
I would say we're on the verge of something happening. Yeah,
Good.
we're definitely.
It does look like it now.
It is everything just slotting into place, which is all the what is it? The 7 P's.
Piss poor performance. Plan and prevents piss poor performance.
That's what our planning is.
That's what we do.
Hopefully coming back to roost a bit now,
Because we're talking about it.
we spent so long planning and thinking through it.
So we've got some of the planks here that have been stitched together, glued together, ready to go. In the boat build with all these little additions and tightening up of the frame, which was very important. The frame was flopping around all over the place, so we've had to disassemble everything and put it all back together again, and it's now working.
Yeah, it's going to need a bit more. Yeah, we're not there yet.
Still going to need a bit more patience.
So
Actually, these
well done.